Good morning, South Houston Intermediate. Today is Friday, February 5th, and we are still celebrating Black History Month. I've got 4 facts for you about Black History Month. The first fact is about Jack Johnson. He became the first African American man to hold the World Heavyweight Championship boxing title in 1908. He held that title until 1915. Stevie Wonder, who is not only the first black artist to win a Grammy for Album of the Year for his 1973's Innervisions, but the first and only musician to win Album of the Year with 3 consecutive studio albums. The next fact is about Thurgood Marshall, who was the first African American ever appointed to the U.S. Supreme Court. He was appointed by President Lyndon B. Johnson and served on the court from 1967 to 1991. The next fact is about George Washington Carver, who developed 300 derivative products from peanuts. Among those products were cheese, milk, coffee, flour, ink, dyes, plastics, wood stains, soap, linoleum, medicinal oils, and cosmetics. There's some things we need to talk to you guys about. First, just make sure you guys are still self-screening before you come in the building. If you've had any of these symptoms that are listed here, just make sure you stay home. Okay. The next thing is video conferencing. We're having a lot of issues with people joining side Zoom conversations and having these conversations with friends in different classes while your teacher is trying to hold class. It's hard enough to learn as it is just in the class by itself. With these extra Zoom conversations on the side, it's going to be that much harder. We're just letting you know that if we find you doing these side conversations, there will be some disciplinary actions. That is all we have for you today. We hope you have a good Friday, and we will see you on Monday.